In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gusto. To get started, sign into your Gusto account so you can access the main dashboard. This is the central place where you'll manage payroll, employees, reports, and other company settings. Once you're logged in, take a moment to get familiar with the layout before making any changes. On the home page, review the information shown on your dashboard. This area gives you a helpful overview of your account, including payroll setup progress, pending tasks, recent activity, payments in progress, and upcoming payroll dates. Think of this page as your control center, since it highlights what needs attention and what's coming up next. Next, look for the Setup Payroll section and click Continue. This will open any remaining setup tasks that still need to be completed. If your account is new, this is especially important because unfinished setup items can affect payroll processing later on. It's a good idea to work through these tasks carefully and make sure everything is complete. After that, check the upcoming section on the right side of the dashboard. Here, you can review your next payroll schedule and the processing deadline. This section is useful for staying ahead of important dates, so you don't miss a payroll run. Now scroll down to the Recent Activity section. This area helps you monitor updates related to employees and general company activity. It's a quick way to confirm recent changes and keep track of what's happening in your account. From there, click Pay in the left navigation menu. This section is where you'll manage payroll-related settings and payroll runs. If you'll be handling payroll regularly, this is one of the most important areas to get comfortable with. Next, select Reports from the sidebar to access payroll, employee, and company reports. Reports are useful when you need a clearer view of financial records, payroll details, or workforce information. Then open Taxes and Compliance to review tax-related information and filings. This section helps you stay organized with tax responsibilities and makes it easier to verify that everything is in order. After that, explore Time and Attendance to manage time tracking, scheduling, and employee hours. Then click Benefits to review and manage employee benefits. You can also open Documents to view and manage company and employee files, and click Money to access financial and payment-related features. Next, select People from the sidebar to view, add, and manage employees and contractors. This is where you'll handle your workforce information in one place. Finally, use the View Plan and Billing link to review your current subscription and billing details. And as a best practice, return to the home dashboard regularly to monitor payroll setup progress and upcoming payroll deadlines. Thanks for watching.